Good morning, students, and welcome back to this language acquisition class. And now we are going to learn about the causative have and get kids. Well, firstly, my dears, we have to define what are them. The causative verb is a common structure in English. It shows that somebody or something is indirectly responsible for an action, and the most common causative verbs are make, get, have, and let. Okay, how do we use them? Well, in this case, we have two different options, right? And we have the first one. I got the mechanic to check my brakes. So we have get plus the person plus to plus the verb. And the other one is I had the mechanic check my brakes. So we have the verb have plus the person plus verb. Or, my dears, I got or had the brakes checked by the mechanic. Get or have plus the object plus the past participle. Well, my dears, when you are using this one is when you want to say that you need that somebody else make your job, right? Or maybe you don't want to do it and you ask to somebody else to do it. So imagine that situation. So you have to clean your room, but you don't want it. So you have to ask to a younger brother, and then you tell him, hey, so please, I need that you clean my room, right? So, and then you can see, so I have my room cleaned by my brother, right? And then you can use that, my dears. Well, let's see some examples about have and get in causative verbs, kids. Okay, let's continue, my dears. I hope that you continue enjoying this video, and we are going to watch the next example. Well, in this example, kids, so you have I wash my car once a week. But what happens if we use a causative? Well, I have my car washed once a week. I have my car washed once a week, right? So do something versus have something done. When you do something, kids, so you are making the action. For example, I wash my car once a week. But when you are saying have something done is when somebody else or something else, you got it, right? So I have my car washed once a week. Have something done is, well, you're using the past participle of the verb, right? In the verb washed. I have my car washed once a week. And the causative form is, in this case, the done thing, right? So, lo que ha sido hecho por alguien más. Okay, let's continue, my dears. Let's continue learning about it. Then we have the causative forms with have plus the object plus the past participle. We have I need to have my flat cleaned, right? They had the goods delivered on time. My friend is going to have his flat decorated. Then, kids, so we have these examples, right? As I told you, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the number 3 we have to use it for the infinitive. Okay, so we have infinitive. I need to have my flat cleaned. And in the last one, so we have my friend is going to have his flat decorated. Okay, the second, number 2, we got the past simple of it, right? So in this example, we need also the past simple. So these rules are pretty different, right? So in this one, so we can see the differences. Okay, one more time, my dears. I need to get my flat cleaned. They got the goods delivered on time. My friend is going to get his flat decorated. So you can use have or get plus the object plus past participle to speak about misfortunes. I got my car stolen, and I got my application turned down. Then we can see another example here. I had my children clean up their room. I got my children to clean up their room, right? So It is almost the same, but the structure changed, right? Okay, so we got the verb I had my children clean up their room. So in this case, we are not using infinitive. I had my children clean up their room. But what happens if we use get? When we're using get, so we have to use I got my children to clean up their room. Okay, so the structure is that one. Thank you, my dears. We see you in the next class. Goodbye.